a little unfortunate. The structure inside is breaking. I'll show you in a moment because I didn't glue anything. But this arm seems to be working pretty okay. I'll just grab the camera so I can show you what I'm talking about with the right arm. So, if you just ignore my finger, you can kind of see that the PVC is actually coming out of the sockets and stuff, because, you know, I didn't glue it. But I do plan to be bringing Marduk back to my old place, my parents' place, shortly, maybe this weekend even. So I'm probably going to wait for the overhaul to the right arm until then. Maybe I'll make a video about taking it apart, getting it ready to stuff it in the Mechmobile over there. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. And we haven't taken a look in the cockpit in a while, so I guess we'll take a look. Look, walls. So you don't have to look at the ugly inner mechanisms. Open that door, and I'll try to climb in one-handed. Oh. Ow! Not a good idea. Always use two hands when going into a giant robot. Very important. You can see it's kind of exposed to the elements because I didn't put up the dust cover. And I accidentally brought this dust cover home to my parents' place. So, whoops. But I've got these switches mounted on the wall though, so you just gotta do a flick and off they go. The only problem is I didn't synchronize them properly. So you gotta flick the right arm forward to make it go down, and you gotta flick the left arm backward to make it go down. So I just have to spin one of these switches around and do that. A close-up of the PVC falling apart. That is a big no-no. And I also have to put this mounting strut right here on the front, because then it will give it a lot more forward motion. Because you can see this one with the strut forward like that, it allows for a lot more forward. Whoops. Stop that. Yeah. Emergency shut off. There. As I was saying, this setup allows for a lot more motion along the front because it doesn't have all this stuff to contend with, so it feels a little floaty, but that's something I guess I can work on. And I guess that would be it. Maybe I'd put another PVC underneath these bottom struts right here, because you can see they're kind of bending down a little bit. So maybe a double layer might do it some good. So as long as I stop poking myself with the head wires, we'll just get out and I guess wrap up this video. So I'll try to get out of Marduk without hurting myself. Ow. For some reason, my right knee, which is not a knee I squished multiple times on various modes of transportation, bike and scooter, is acting up. I don't know why. This one's supposed to be my bad knee, but for some reason this one's being my bad knee. So, no jumping from high places for me. So, I guess if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you do enjoy my content, you know, share it with others who like giant robots too. Maybe they'd like to see this madness of a junk pile. And I guess I will see you next time then. Bye-bye.